Okay, third gear, and just let it stand up and eat us. What's up, guys? It's dyno day, or night before the dyno, but we're not sleeping. Matthew and I got the car finished. Well, Matthew mostly. I did a couple of little wiring things, but car's ready to go. We're about to load it on the trailer now, and then get some footage of us driving to Atlanta to see Jason Waters to get this thing tuned and hopefully make some good power.
Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with? Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright, coming in. Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with? Yeah.
All loaded up, Matthew. You ready?
Yeah.
Make power.
You know you're gonna have to ride in the car and hold the brakes the whole way there, right? We don't have any straps.
Rip. And the e-brake's messed up from you trying to do burnout, so. Diesel. Then we blow this up. Then we gotta get some snacks. Actually, we gotta get snacks first. We're pretty tired. Alright guys, so we're at Jason Waters now. He's got the car on the rollers. He made a couple initial pulls. He did the last pull he did a wastegate, wastegate only, no VTEC, and we were at like 305. So hopefully this thing puts down some good power. We got the boost controller hooked up now. We had to go run and stop and get some bar fittings and things like that. But yeah, so we should be making some good power here soon.
All the orange.
This is Matthew Daddy.
Hey, how many horsepower do we make without zip ties?
How many pounds of boost was that without zip ties?
How much boost was that? 13 pounds. Okay, you're right, Danny.
Alright guys, 385. We got some wheel hop action going on with the stock struts, and that's 12 or 13 psi of boost, and we're hoping to be around 25 or 30. So yeah. What you think about it?
Well, we finally made the same power it used to make like 8 years ago.
On bump gas.
That's like no boost pressure on it. We're still on the wastegate spring. I mean, we aren't on wastegate pressure, but we're still on a single spring.
Get you a good tuner. Alright Matthew, what are we going to do on our first pull?
We're just going to let it go in first gear and kind of roll into it. It's whoop, up, okay, then short shift in a second. Whoop, up. Okay, third gear, and just let it stand up and eat us.
All right, guys, we're at about 18 PSI now. We're making all the power. All the power. We're having some problems with wheel hop. It's going to spin a little bit.
So we made our goal. Are you ready to send it?
No, I'm not ready to send it.
Pull the piece off the wastegate?
I'm letting him do what he wants to do.
Well, he wants to do what he tells me. It's like it was nothing. It took nothing to make 500 wheel horsepower.
All right, we're at 508.
This is nothing.
Do we keep going?
It took nothing to make 500 horsepower.
How many pounds are we even at?
We could ask him, probably like 22 if I had to take a guess.
Oh, so we still got another, like, we could probably push in another like 5 to 8 pounds.
Probably. I mean, the turbo should flow 60 pounds per minute. That's good for 600 wheel horsepower.
Oh God.
I don't know. We'll find out what the IATs and everything are looking like, see if it's safe. Or if you just want to call it a day and take it to the drag strip and have some fun with it and stand it up later.
What's up, guys? So that's going to be about it, I think, as far as the dyno pulls and the numbers. Right now we're at 509 horsepower with 375 foot-pounds. That's on like 24 pounds of boost, and nothing's holding us back. I mean, the motor's healthy. He says there's plenty left in it. The turbo's got plenty left. We're only at 24 pounds and we're on a whole set turbo. I mean, it's barely even efficient right now. The injectors have plenty of fuel left. Nothing's holding us back really, besides we have an eBay wastegate and a 7-pound spring in it. We could put another spring in it, but me and Matthew are actually trying to drive this car and learn how to, you know, take it to the strip and get faster. And basically we want to drop the car down to wastegate pressure and learn like the 60-foot and the short track. And if we put a bigger spring in, we're gonna be making over 400 horsepower in first gear, and it's just gonna not be usable. So I think we're gonna keep it where it's at and call it safe. They're gonna pull it off the dyno. I think Matthew might do a test drive in it possibly, and then maybe tonight we might even take it to the drag strip and do a test and tune tonight. So you never know. It's super stoked on how the motor's going and how the car's going, all things considered. So yep, eBay for the win. Alright, so we just found a another vacuum plug that was missing. Matthew didn't zip tie it on. We put it on and made 20 more horsepower, so we're at 525, 385 now. So that is actually it. That's where we're leaving it.
And you can't be posting this shit. They're gonna be questioning why I don't have a seatbelt on and talking a bunch of shit.
So we're doing a first little pull in the Civic.
All right, that was it. We're done.
We're done. That was good. All right, Matthew. What's your how you feeling? You happy?
I'm excited, man. I've known people who have owned cars that made this kind of power, but never gotten to even go for a ride. And now I'm going from never even riding anything like this to driving one. So. Slow down for back behind this guy.
What, you think you're gonna catch him?
All the D's. All the sauce.
Holy crap. Holy. Dude, it's gonna be so fast. Dude, it's gonna be so fast.
Oh god. Dude, that third gear torque steer was nuts. Third gear just spun. It was nothing.
Oh god. Dude. Oh yes. This thing is dope.
Dude, he said it'll take all of it in third at the track to on a good slick.
Dude, right here. Yes. That's it. That's it.